So this training video will be on how to cut rebar. So the first step is to measure the sections of rebar that you will be cutting. You will usually be getting rebar shipments of 2 meters, however you will rarely be using the full 2 meters. Hence, it is important to use a loose measuring tape and a Sharpie in order to mark up the different sections you'll be cutting. When marking the rebar, make sure you're marking the entire diameter. And also, we found it useful to indicate which section of the rebar we were disregarding. So as seen in the image, we would simply put an arrow in order to show that we weren't using that side of the rebar. In terms of setup, we recommend bringing a minimum of 8 bricks. As you can see in the video, we have 4 bricks on each side of the person handling the angle grinder. We recommend sanitizing the rebar in between the 2 top bricks, and then you should get a friend or two to step on it in order to secure it properly. You can obviously add more bricks if your rebar is longer. The person handling the angle grinder should be wearing safety glasses. We also recommend them not wearing any gloves because it might be slippery, and they could also use some ear protection because it gets very loud. And so they should be holding the top of the angle grinder with their dominant hand, and then their other hand should be handling the safety switch. And they could also put one of their foot on the bricks in order to secure it. Finally, they should only be applying a bit of force on their rebar and doing it slowly. It also helps to tilt the angle grinder a bit forward. And finally, when they cut the rebar, be very careful not to touch it because it's very, very hot.